Hey everyone, this is Al Backman here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at KINETIQ. Welcome back to our series on FP&A planning, where we are taking you into the day in the life of an organization's planning process within Fabric Planning. In this video, we are going to be talking all about balance sheet driver-based planning, focusing specifically on DPO planning or days payable outstanding planning. On my screen right here, what you can see are cost projections coming in from our driver-based planning module, what our DPO assumptions look like, and what our accounts payable forecast looks like for the future. For CFOs and finance leaders, the objective is to understand exactly where cash flow is for the organization. And working capital is one of the most important metrics companies are looking at to understand what short-term cash is coming in the door and what short-term cash is leaving out the door for the organization. So not only being able to showcase your costs as well as your DPO assumptions, but also have all these various different items integrated together in one place. This means having the ability to make modifications and immediately see the cash flow impact of your changes. So for example here, if we're assuming that our days payable outstanding is going to be roughly 70, meaning that we will be paying our vendors longer, retaining more cash in the door to invest in various different vehicles, we have the ability to modify and simulate that and see exactly how our AP forecast changes. As our team is making modifications to unit-based planning on driver-based planning, we can also see the impact to costs on our organization here. So for example, I have 70,000 units here. My new costs are going to be reflected and we'll see our forecasted costs here. What we can see immediately as soon as we come into the module itself is that our costs are immediately reflected and we can see how that impacts our AP forecasts. Not only that, but we can also then see the output of that on our cash flow statement, showcasing exactly how our cash flow is changing over time for our beginning and ending balances. So as cash is no longer coming out the door due to more terms negotiated in a better favorable manner for the company, we can immediately see how that affects our cash flow beginning and ending balances. So I hope you enjoyed this part of the video where we showcase DPO planning and how integrated planning is being done across various different planning sheets in Fabric Planning. Thank you, and this is Al Backman signing out.